Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial. So today we'll be going through the basic syntax of Fortran. So let's get started. So uh, basic syntax. Yeah. So what I just did there is known as a comment. Okay, what is a comment? A comment is um, a, a comment can be a group of number, a group of words. A comment can be numbers. A comment can be any data type that won't run while or running the whole program. Who wants to write a Fortran who wants to write a program in Fortran, we start by defining the start of the program and the end of the program. We define the start of the program by writing program, then the name of the program. The name of the program can be any word, any sentence, any word, but preferably any word. It can be anything. So syntax, name is syntax. And for the end of the program, we'll end the program by writing end program, then the name of the program again. So that's it. So implicit none comes from what we know as implicit typing. Implicit typing was allowed in previous versions of Fortran. So what's implicit typing? The implicit typing I've been talking about. So implicit typing basically means you do not have to declare a certain variable before you can use it in the program. So implicit none turns that off because implicit typing might be as a result of mistake, which might cause a lot of confusion or error in while running the code. So let's move on. So we're going to run um, a few mathematical operations. So let's say mathematical operations. So at but before we run the mathematical operations, we have to define our variables. So let's define certain variables as integers at first. I know I've not gone through data types. Data types will be the next video after this video because we have to go through the basic syntax so you can understand how we start and end a program in Fortran. This you do not have to understand what all this means in this video because I'll be doing another video on data types, what data types we use in Fortran and other stuff. So A, B, C, and D. Okay, that's enough for now. Then we can write our statements here. Okay, I didn't put a comment here. That's to show that I'm declaration of variables. Then put a declaration here that. So statements. So let's make let's make A 10. Let's make B. Let B be equals to 20. So C is going to be equals to A plus B. Let's put this one as addition. This is subtraction. Say D is equals to A minus B. Let's make E available here. Let's say multiplication. Let's say E is equals to A multiply by b, then comment this out. So what I'm going to write now, you might not understand it yet because I have not gotten to that part of the tutorial. But basically, what we're doing now is we are writing, we're asking for an output from the compiler, from the program itself. That we're asking for an output. That's what write means. So I'm going to show addition, addition. We're going to say comma. Addition is equal to C. Saying I'm going to copy this again, put it down here. Say subtraction is equal to D, and is equal to E. So that will be all. Now let's run the program. So to run the program, we're going to come to the top right corner, say play button. If you are using Visual Studio Code, you see a play button, then you tap on it. You can see the code run in terminal. You can see addition is equal to 30, subtraction is equal to -10, and multiplication is equal to 200. Correct. So that's all for the basic syntax um, of Fortran. So let's go through it again. Firstly, we define the start of the program, and we define the end of the program. We also talked about implicit, non and implicit typing. We talked about comments. We talked about defining or declaring variables, and we talked about statements. We did an addition, did a subtraction, and we did the multiplication. We also asked the system or the program for an output, and that's it. So as you can see, we from this syntax, this is how a basic syntax of Fortran looks like. All right, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.